Today we will see the difference between shallow foundation and the deep foundation. Myself, Dr. J. Sagarun, Professor and Head, Department of Civil Engineering, Rohini College of Engineering and Technology. First, what is shallow foundation? Foundation which is placed near the surface of the earth or transfer the load at the shallow depth is called shallow foundation. Deep foundation is a foundation which is placed at the greater depth or transfer the load to the deep strata is called the deep foundation. Based on the depth of the shallow foundation is generally about 3 meter or the depth of the foundation is less than the footing width. In a deep foundation greater than the shallow foundation. For a heavy structure, normally we will go for a deep foundation. Based on the cost, the shallow foundation is cheap. Deep foundation are generally more expensive than shallow foundation. Based on the feasibility, shallow foundation are easier to construct. The construction process of the deep foundation is more complex compared to shallow foundation. Then based on the load transfer, the shallow foundation transfers the load mostly by end bearing. In a deep foundation, rely both on end bearing and skin friction with few exceptions like end bearing piles. Some of the advantages, in shallow foundation, construction material are available, less labor is needed, construction procedure is simple at an affordable cost. In a deep foundation, foundation can be provided at a greater depth, provide lateral support and resist uplift. Effective when foundation at the shallow depth is not possible, can carry a huge load. Some of the disadvantages of shallow footing, the possibility of settlement, usually applicable for lightweight structure, weak against lateral load. In a deep foundation, some of the disadvantages are more expensive, need skilled labor, complex construction procedure, can be time consuming, and some type of deep foundation are not very flexible. Types of shallow foundation: isolated footing, strap foundation, mat foundation and combined footing. In a deep foundation, some of the types: pier foundation, pile foundation and caissons. So these are all about difference between shallow foundation and deep foundation. Thank you.